everybody. It's, I'm gonna say 11:30? No, definitely not 11:30. What am I saying? It's like 10:50, it's coming up to 11. And yeah, I have work today. It's Monday, it's the start of a new week. I am kind of dreading this week, which is annoying and sad. I don't know. I think it's kind of indirectly because of the pandemic. It's just not been as enjoyable as last summer. And there's a lot of kind of negativity going around, and it's made me very kind of anxiety ridden about going to work and being at work, which is really sad because that's pretty much the only reason I came back this summer was because of how much I enjoyed working there last summer. Like literally ever since I left I was talking about how excited I was to come back, and it's kind of been thrown back in my face a little bit, which is no one's fault, but it's a bit, you know, it's just depressing. Hopefully things pick up and aren't as miserable, but yeah, it's kind of the situation right now. So I'm getting ready for work. I just uploaded the vlog. Slippers threw up again in the middle of the night last night. That's 3 separate cat vomit incidents in a 36-hour period. It was great. It was like I'd thought myself awake because of, you know, anxiety ridden about going to work today. And so I was up until super late, and just as I started to fall asleep, it must have been about 1:30ish, she threw up on my bed. Luckily it was at the foot of my bed and on a part of the sheet that I can fold away so that I cleaned it up, it's fine, don't worry. She also threw up a little bit on my watermelon pillow, which I also cleaned up, but that was really sad, and that was at like 2 in the morning. And Chris was like out instantly last night. And so when this happened, he like woke up and was super disorientated and like insisted on trying to help. He passed me tissue, bless him, like he did the other night when his cat threw up, but bless him. Very confused about what was going on as I was wiping up cat vomit. It's great fun. So yeah, I did not sleep well last night. I think I fell asleep at about 2:30 and woke up at 8. So yeah, not doing great in terms of energy, but you know, what can you do? Hopefully that doesn't make today even worse because I'm on the late shift tonight. So that's fun. Yeah, that's the day. Do you want to see my cat? Do you want to see the culprit? There she is. There's the culprit. You throwing up? You throwing up on me? Huh? Yeah, I'm judging you. We're all judging you. But you're very cute, luckily, so we'll let it go. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
So yeah, that's the day today. Work, and then bed. It's payday this week. So hopefully after the end of this week it will feel somewhat worth it. But yeah. Are you settling on Chris's fire hoodie? Yeah. Oh my goodness, that really made me jump. It's raining, guys. Anyways, heading off to work. Late shift tonight, so I'll catch you guys when I get out this evening. Really not looking forward to it. Here's my pen. I accidentally stole a pen last week. I put it behind my ear and I forget it's there, so I've put it behind my ear now so I don't forget it. Yeah. Yeah. Not looking forward to it, but we'll see how today goes. Yay! Chris is gonna get a haircut for the first time since lockdown, after self-cutting for a few weeks. Excited?
Yeah, I really like my hairdresser as well, so
Oh, that's
I haven't seen them in ages.
well, there you go. So I'll see you guys this evening. Are you harassing my kitten?
I've never done such a thing in my life.
Is he harassing you?
She's so cute.
You leave her alone, Billy.
I love that kitten.
Yeah, you do. We all love you. Little floof. Good evening, everybody. It's late and I'm going to bed.
Goodbye.
I am so tired. Today wasn't super bad, but I was just so drained the entire day. I had no energy or motivation at all. I was just very tired. Did not sleep well, plus other things made me very tired. I was very tired. I went to put my pen in the pen pot at the end of the day, and my arm just lost, like, all of my motor skills just disappeared, and I just went and threw it on the floor by accident.
Pens do weigh quite a lot, so that's...
It was a moment for me. I also had a spaghetti and meatballs ready meal for lunch. It was a slim fit one that my mum bought.
Slimming World.
Yeah.
Slim fit. Isn't that a pair of jeans or something?
Well, no, it says on the... I swear it says on the side of the box it said slim fit.
Oh, maybe that's like a...
It's not. It wasn't Slimming World. It was Slim something. But it made me really gassy all day. And because I have to wear a mask, I had to keep running outside to take off my mask so I could burp without trapping the burp in my mask.
I did look at the sauce. There was a lot of greenery in there, like spinach.
Yeah.
Things like that.
Yeah.
There was a lot of green veg in there. So.
But I have green veg relatively frequently and it's never had that reaction with me. Not that bad, it was literally all day. It's only just started to subside now.
Bodes well for me, doesn't it?
Yeah, that was my day. Very tired and couldn't stop burping. Great. Why are you staring at me through the camera for?
Because it's funny.
Why?
It's really weird. It's like someone taking a Instagram of a behind the scenes during like a movie scene kind of thing.
You're the B-roll guy.
Yeah, and like taking a picture. You can see all the camera and how it's done and all the lighting.
Okay.
When I watch vlogs and when I watch like other things, I always imagine when they put the camera down, what do they say? Do they do anything, or do they just like go their separate ways, or? But now I know because I'm one of them. Do pigeons have accents?
Do pigeons have accents? Yeah. We're going to bed. It's 10:15 and I'm tired and we're watching R/ and sleeping. So thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow. So bye, slippers. She looked a bit judgmental with that one. That's not how I sound, how dare you?
That's right. That's how you.
Oh, okay. Say night, Chris. Oh, God.